If you have ever found yourself pondering over the best way to store eggs for an extended period, or if you are looking to make the most out of your surplus eggs, then you have come to the perfect destination. Within this all-encompassing video guide, we will take you through the entire process, providing you with detailed step-by-step instructions. Hi there, I am Jack, a food enthusiast from Login Good Food. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Let's get started. Method 1. Freezing whole eggs. Our first method involves freezing whole eggs. This technique is perfect if you want to freeze eggs for later use in baking or cooking. Here's what you will need. Step 1. Gather fresh eggs and crack them into a bowl. Step 2. Gently beat the eggs to break up the yolks and whites. Step 3. Pour the beaten eggs into an ice cube tray or a muffin tin. Step 4. Place the tray in the freezer and allow the eggs to freeze completely. Step 5. Once frozen, transfer the egg cubes into a freezer bag or airtight container and label them with the date. Method 2. Freezing egg whites and yolks separately. Sometimes you may only need either the egg whites or the yolks for specific recipes. In such cases, it's more convenient to freeze them separately. Let's go over the steps. For freezing egg whites. Step 1. Crack the eggs and separate the whites from the yolks, ensuring there are no traces of yolk in the whites. Step 2. Pour each egg white into an ice cube tray or a silicone mold. Step 3. Place the tray in the freezer and allow the egg whites to freeze completely. Step 4. Once frozen, transfer the individual egg white portions to a freezer bag or airtight container and label them with the date. For freezing egg yolks. Step 1. Crack the eggs and separate the yolks from the whites. Be careful not to break them. Step 2. Gently whisk the yolks, incorporating a pinch of salt or sugar to maintain their texture. Step 3. Pour each yolk into a separate section of an ice cube tray or a silicone mold. Step 4. Place the tray in the freezer and allow the egg yolks to freeze completely. Step 5. Once frozen, transfer the individual egg yolk portions to a freezer bag or airtight container and label them with the date. Method 3. Freezing scrambled eggs. Our final method is freezing scrambled eggs. This is a fantastic option if you prefer to have ready-to-eat scrambled eggs on hand. Let's get started. Step 1. In a mixing bowl, crack the desired number of eggs and whisk them until fully combined. Step 2. Season the eggs with salt, pepper, and any other desired spices or ingredients. Step 3. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and add a bit of oil or butter. Step 4. Pour the scrambled egg mixture into the skillet and cook until they are softly set. Step 5. Allow the scrambled eggs to cool completely. Step 6. Once cooled, transfer them to a freezer bag or airtight container, ensuring to remove any excess air. Don't forget to label them with the date. Remember to follow the method that best suits your needs. Whether it's freezing whole eggs, separating the whites and yolks, or preserving scrambled eggs. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment if you found the video helpful.